Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Mobile Legends offline mode not working. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to the settings right here on the upper right corner, and I need you to click on the network task, and from here I need you to go to the clear redundancy, right? Now, the next step is I need you to click on the scan and clean, because what will happen is this process helps to remove unnecessary files in your Mobile Legends app, like injected files. And after doing so, now there are two things that you need to do. And one is you need to go to the Mobile Legends and try to download the most latest version. And after that, you need to go to the this one. It's gonna be Zarchiver. There you go. All I have to do is install, and from here, try to click on open. Now, once you are here, I need you to click on the Android, go to data, and search for the Mobile Legends folder. It should be around here. There you go. Now, once you are here, I need you to go to the document. Now, from here, delete the document file for Mobile Legends, because that could be one of the possible ways that it's not loading for the offline mode. All right, after deleting that, try to restart your game to see if it's working for you. All right, now try to restart the game, and if it needed, clear cache and data. Go to your device settings, app, Mobile Legends, storage, and clear cache, because if clearing the cache doesn't work, you can also try clearing the data. Note that this might reset your settings and require you to log again. And make sure that you enable automatic updates to ensure you always have the latest version of the games. Sometimes ensure you have enough storage space on your device, because lack of storage can cause performance issues, and it doesn't give you the opportunity to play Mobile Legends offline. All right, and after that, after trying the above steps, you might want to go to the app permissions, because from there, ensure that the game has all the necessary permissions enabled, and go to settings, apps, Mobile Legends permissions, and enable all required permissions. And now in terms of the network, you might want to go to settings, system, reset network system, and from there this will reset network related settings, including the Wi-Fi and mobile data and Bluetooth. Now, following these steps in the offline mode still won't work, provide details such as error messages or specific behavior that can help further diagnose your problem. Now, I can also give you two more tips. One is you might want to join the official Discord server for the Mobile Legends Bang Bang. As you can see, there are like 680,000 plus members, active players within the community. Now, if you ask questions about how to fix the not working offline mode for Mobile Legends, there are so many members and active users that could give you tips, troubleshooting steps, and guides on how to fix it. All right, and also you might want to follow them on social media. Once you are here on the Mobile Legends platform, click on the social media option here, and this would direct you to another page wherein they could have announcements, updates about bugs and fixes, and these are the email address where you can send an email if you encounter such problems about the offline mode not working here in Mobile Legends. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.